Hey everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm here to tell you which is the best microphone to use in 2021 for podcasting, streaming, and even videography. We're comparing the Shure SM58, the industry standard, versus the SE V7. My wife and I own a local media company, so having good microphones is of paramount importance to us. So in our business, we offer videography and podcasting. So we wanted to have something that was portable for podcasting, but also even in videography, if we needed to, whip out one of these bad boys, we could use more of a cool dynamic kind of microphone like this. A lot of videos I watched when trying to decide between these two, people just kept going on and on and on and on and on and on and on, but not here. No, we're going to cut straight to the point. Disclaimer, I'm not an audiophile. I'm just a guy who owns a media company, so just wanted good sounding audio. Sorry if I'm not doing it justice. I'm not using the right word. So bottom line is, guys, either one is going to be fine. I want to make that disclaimer. When I was listening to YouTube videos, and even after I got these microphones, they sound virtually the same to me. Just to show you guys just a quick little bit of how they sound. This is the SEV7 when I'm about a fist away. I do have this pop filter on it so that when I'm, saying like puh, it doesn't obviously come across the plosive. That's what it's called. But this is what it sounds like. It's really nice and clean. It catches pretty much the whole range of my voice. And this is the Shure SM58. It definitely is a solid microphone. I will admit that. The one thing that stands out to me about the Shure SM58, it tends to catch, I think, the lower tones in my voice, whereas the SEV7 is a little more of a crisp in general. This is what I mean. I don't think the SEV7 catches those low notes as well, but I just think overall for our business, when we're doing podcasting for clients, for businesses, for corporate offices, they don't care about like, ooh, I want to hear the nice, smooth, low tones. They just want to hear the nice and crisp. If you want to do ASMR, that's what they sound like. SEV7 versus the Shure SM58. Just to quickly show you what they both, I guess, look and feel like. I hope I'm done with... These are the mic stands I use, just kind of cheap. Newers with a pop filter. So the SEV7, here, I'll talk to the Shure to confuse you as I'm talking about it. It looks really nice. It's really nice and big. I really like it. It's got this cool red look to it. The Shure SM58, as you can see, is a lot smaller than the SEV7. So I honestly, look-wise, they both look great. I don't think it's that big of a difference. I wouldn't necessarily pick one over the other for size, I'll be on, or like looks, but we went with SEV7 because of the sound, and to be honest, I do like that it fits in my fist, whereas the Shure, when I fist it pretty much when I put my fist around it, it pretty much comes right to the top. But if you're interested in what they sound like without a pop filter, this is kind of what it sounds like. Bottom line is, guys, whichever you go with, it's going to be incredible. You're going to be happy. For our business and for podcasts and for my streaming and videos, I went with the SEV7, but with the Shure, you're going to be fine too. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I mean, I really appreciate that. It would really help. We will have links at the bottom of this video to both of these microphones, and they will be affiliate links if you want to support us. We would really appreciate it. If not, go buy it wherever you want. Like I said, at the end of the day, both incredible microphones. But again, thank you for watching this. I really hope this helps. Ask questions in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them. If you're wondering how we recorded this, we just did it in the Zoom H6. This is really nice and portable, which works well for our videography and podcasting needs since we travel a lot to other people's businesses. And it's worked really well for us. So we really recommend the Zoom H6 as well.